So, I don't even know what number we're on, but next step. We've got the top on, hatch, the bottom. Now we're going to focus a little bit more on the bottom. So we have to curve this to meet the to make that front bottom profile. But to do that, you'll notice that the top is a little bit longer than the ribs on the bottom here. And if you look real close, I've already trimmed this away, but you want to put like a 45-degree bevel on there. I just did that with my knife, and sharp knife, and you just slowly put a quick bevel on there using that front edge as sort of a reference. You just cut away the sort of like this, and you just cut away the foam part, leave the front edge if you can. It turns out a little wonky in the front, but you get the point. So then at that point, when you curve the bottom piece over, it'll match up with the front top edge here when you get it all glued up. Same thing goes for the sides. On the sides, you see on this side the edges are still square. Well, we're going to want to bevel this edge, right? Because really what we're going to do at the end is we're going to just paste a side on, just straight onto the edge here. And so to get that to stick good, we want to bevel this edge and bevel this edge, so this will just be a nice surface. So I've kind of started on this side. The top edge is actually beveled now, and it kind of matches up with the ribs. Okay? But I haven't done the bottom yet. I'm going to do that later. Once we get the bottom shaped and glued up, it'll make it a lot easier to get this cut up too. So let's focus on that now, and just big note here, the fins in the back are the last thing you want to do because they just end up getting in the way. Those are the easiest thing to put in, but they just get in the way. They did on the first one. So you don't want to put those on yet. So to bend this, to get the front edge all done here, once you get that front edge beveled, you put a bunch of glue here on the front edge that we just beveled, and a couple spots here on the ribs, as far down as you can get it. Okay, and then pick it up like this and just roll it forward. Okay, and we just set it there until it gets hard. Alright, so that's where we're going to cut off for this video, and we'll pick up once this is hardened.